Nikky! Welcome to my crib. Today is going to be a whole different kind of Thai takeover. I was so inspired from all the other kitchens and how organized it was. And today I decided that I needed help because it was a disaster. So let's go check out and see what we did with Jackie from Be Organized. The lady of the hour. She is Jackie Olson, or Jackie O, a Be Organized. Highly recommended to me, and I had an amazing time. So let's go see what she did.
I think it's important, and what we do when we go into someone's kitchen is set it up how it works for you. How I do my kitchen does not work for how you're going to use your kitchen, because you are actually functioning in here. There's 5 people living in the household, and we want to make it so everybody can put things back.
Yes.
It's efficient when you're cooking.
Yes. I love everything that she's been saying. Efficiency, because that's how I normally do my kitchen at the restaurant. And then at home, I'm like, what am I gonna do?
One of the things we always try to look at, especially from the perspective of the dishwasher. Originally, the plates were over here, and it just seemed a little tedious to be taking them out, putting them up over there.
Can I tell you something funny? I originally put all the plates and forks and spoons all the way over there. Now that sink, because me or our household as Asians, we hand wash everything. So I was like, well, how can I just get to the sink and put everything away? But in reality, I'm the one who uses a dishwasher. My husband still loves to hand wash.
Which is great.
Yes.
Good trait to have in a husband, so you can do that.
Yes.
You can empty the dishwasher. You've got plates and everything right here. You can even plate from here. All of the silverware, everything is here. So you can literally stand on that side of the dishwasher and empty the dishwasher and get everything put away.
It's awesome.
Right here. And then when you're cooking, a lot of your stuff is fresh, coming out of the refrigerator. So here's your prep station.
I love, and then we got all our knives.
Yes, so all the sharp things are right here. So she
and
can literally.
Cutting board, it's been amazing.
I know, you can literally pull out your cutting board, pull out your knife, do all of your stuff right here. Pop something in the dishwasher if you need to kind of keep it clear and stuff like that. But it put everything that you need within reach of where you're going to be.
Mind blown.
And then the other thing that I think we wanted to get done for you is kind of a morning station.
Yes.
And it's like you have all these great pots in here, but here's also everything.
All my morning vitamins.
This is everybody's vitamins. The kids can access their vitamins. All the coffee samples are here. Here's your coffee maker. Here's your blender. And I think this has become, with just the way that we're all living now, everybody makes shakes.
We need shakes in the morning.
So here's your like one-stop shop. You've got your shakes, you've got your supplements.
You don't forget.
Your coffee. No. You know, sometimes it takes a little bit to wake up in the morning. So this is making it foolproof.
Close your eyes and just grab. I'm a jammer.
You're a jammer, crammer, stacker.
I am.
So Nikky took our survey on our website, which is just beorganized.com. And the minute she called me, she goes, oh, by the way, I'm a crammer, jammer, stacker. So I immediately knew how to approach this with her.
And I think the breaking point for me, like, I have no more place to jam anything else. So Jackie, I need to
and then I would also ask you, like, how is that working for you being a crammer?
Not much. Or my house families.
No. Yes, exactly. It's like that's hard to do.
I know where to find it though.
When we take everything out, especially pantry type stuff, and we're trying to sort it by category, because of your cooking expertise and your Asian food and love and stuff, we didn't know what a lot of things were. So we had to keep going, what is this? What is this? And you were so sweet with her.
What category is this?
Yeah, because we're trying to pull everything out and get everything sorted, do the purging process, and then categorize it. You're also not just an amazing chef, you're a pastry chef as well, and you love to bake. And so we found a few baking items.
A few? So this is like, you know, a sticky rice little container. We have a tong tong maker. You make these little pretty cups out of batter, and you kind of make appetizers. She's like, what is this?
Yeah. She had me at something. I would have thought that was a decoration or maybe for a holiday outside. Yep. And then like down here, your pots and your pans are on each side. But even if we kind of look at the baking section in here, she's got different sweeteners. We've got some back stock up there.
A whole container of extracts and flavoring.
Yes, exactly. This personally was my favorite transformation.
Oh my goodness. The before and after is like...
Yes, you're going to love this. One sticking point was you had a lot of baking stuff.
I did. Or do. I still do. Thank you for not making me throw everything out.
No, and that's never the purpose. But it's like, what do you have and how do you use it and where does it go? I wanted to kind of hide it a little bit more. You wanted to see everything and be inspired by it. And I think that's important. You've got a lot of really cool stuff. Yeah, I need you're inspired by seeing it. One thing that we did do is
this is very interesting.
We made a breakfast station in here. So the bread, pastries, anything is here. Everybody can pop in because luckily her pantry actually has a plug-in. Most don't, which is always a little bit of a challenge.
Let's put something in here to
we've got to use that plug. But everybody can do their toast right here and it's all here. Here's your jams and everything like that. So we've got breakfast stuff, we've got snacks, we've got some back stock here. If you will look up here.
Why are they called vegetables? I forgot.
Wow.
Oh, even I forgot what they were called vegetables.
These are white chocolate chips and dark chocolate chips so that no one under the age of 16 in the house will know what they are.
Would want to grab a bucket that says vegetables.
And crawl up the shelf to get vegetables. Yeah. When you look at the real estate in your pantry, you want everything that you use most frequently right here.
Yes.
And then if you want to eat healthier, you keep the healthy stuff, the healthy snacks, whatever you want to grab, visibles. And if you look at the baskets down bottom.
So pretty.
They're gorgeous, but they're also great for storage, like the Instapot, anything like that you don't use all the time. Your rice cooker, the bigger pans that wouldn't fit in anything up there. And the third benefit is the housekeeper can move these out, clean behind them, and push them back. And then this is becoming my favorite section too. Because all of their nuts that they love to snack on. And if you all just want proof that not everybody knows what everything is,
these are Neo flowers.
See, I still couldn't pronounce it, and I labeled it.
You did. We had to look it up a few times.
Yes. But I'm like, who would normally know what that is? But now they're beautiful and they're interesting.
All the things that she found, and she had to like show them to me. I'm like, what is this? And she read it, and it says dry fungus. And you're like, what do you do with that? What did you think we would do with it? Or I would do with it?
No idea. If you didn't know what you're doing, this could be a party decoration. This looks like dried.
Or like a scrubber.
Yeah, I'm like, this looks like loofah. I might have put these in the bathroom thinking they were loofahs.
That's right.
So one other spot that I want to touch on, which I know everybody gets a junk drawer.
I had two.
But you can still have a junk drawer, but it just doesn't have to be junky.
It is so not junky anymore.
Because your daughter tends to kind of get ready here,
get ready
last
right here.
minute hair, all of that stuff. But you can find it now. We've got it by categories, the brushes, everything you need.
Awesome.
Sunscreens. And then this is more of the kitchen as functioning as an office type drawer where you've got tape in here, everything that you need to kind of run in and run out, pens to take notes, anything like that. But you can find it all now, and now it's not.
It's not on the counter.
Yeah, it's not there.
It is beautiful.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh, thank you. This was amazing.
Amazing. I hope you guys really got to enjoy what Jackie helped me do in my kitchen. Where can they find you and get more inspiration? Because first thing you told me, like, go and get inspiration on my Instagram channel.
You can find us on Instagram at BeOrganizedDallas. And our website is beorganized.com/Dallas. I always ask people to look at some of our stuff for inspiration on this, like, what do you like in your pantry? What do you like? That's one of the first things that start with. Some people like a lot of black. Some people want everything hidden so that they don't, if they're not keeping it neat, it's just still behind something solid. So that's what you wanted. So that gave us kind of insights into what things that we would look for organizing products.
Thank you so much for watching, guys. Make sure you follow, like, and let me know if you are inspired and what you would attempt to do first in your kitchen.
Exactly.
And if you need any help, obviously you know where to find us.
It was fun.
Awesome.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณค่ะ